Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Not sure why you clicked on this video, but you did. And now I've suckered you into watching it, or you can click off because I'm super fucking annoying. This is gonna be my first YouTube video because I filmed a couple other videos that I'm gonna upload, but they're like basic bitch videos. They're like sugar daddy scam, and I wrecked my car, got a DUI, and totaled it, and don't have a license. And there's another one. Oh, reading my Instagram video. So yeah, those are like pretty basic bitch videos. I want to do. Sorry, my neighbor decided to mow the lawn on the day I record this. Dope. Okay, so yeah, I'm here doing this YouTube thing because I've wanted to do YouTube for a really fucking long time, but I'm petrified of what people will say. And now, all of a sudden, I don't care. I don't care what he thinks, she thinks, anyone thinks. I don't fucking care. Like, judge me, pick me apart. Make fun of me in this video because I'm making fun of myself. Like, you see my hair? It's disgusting. But I have to have it like this because I don't wear straight hair because straight hair shows my ears. You know what my biggest insecurity is? My big ass ears. So, also I'm annoying. Like, super annoying. And I have a small attention span. And I'm a Gemini. So, like, good riddance. Hope you enjoy this video. If you don't, then fuck you. No, I'm just kidding. If you don't enjoy this video, I understand. I'm annoying. No, for real, I get it. But I don't know what this channel is going to consist of. Like, it could be a bunch of fucking awesome. Awesome! Love it! I adore that. Oh, maybe I shouldn't get too close because you can see my fucked up eyelashes that I've been wearing for 6 weeks. Because your bitch is broke! Okay, I'm not wearing pants. I'm wearing an oversized hoodie. It's actually a 2X. Okay, so this is my first YouTube video, and I don't really know what this channel is going to consist of. I'm fucking weird. Okay, I don't know what I want to make YouTube videos about. I want to do a whole bunch of shit, so right now I already made like a couple basic bitch videos, like a sugar daddy scam, and like, I don't know, what else did I do? Oh, my wreck, because I have a DUI, and I totaled my car, and I don't have a license, so that's that. But I think that I want this channel to be like weird, like me. Get it? Maybe I could just make this like a daily vlog because I have clothes right here sitting beside me that I have to sell. I have a shit ton of stuff to do. Not really like normal people activities, but like basic bitch activities. So I need to clean my makeup brushes, I need to sell clothes on Facebook, I need to start my 7-day vegan challenge vlog. Yes, I'm doing it. I don't know why, I just want to. I've realized that meat is actually bad for you, like it's genuinely bad for you. I know that people say that people did it in the old days, but like they weren't supposed to, like they didn't know, they just were hungry. They didn't know to go plant plants and like vegetables and you know, stuff that you can grow. So they hunted food. You're not really supposed to hunt food. That's not what it's for. Like, we don't do that. That was so old, and like that's like, just because it went on before doesn't mean it needs to go on now. Like we're new people. It's a new generation. We're new people coming up, and like we have new ways of looking at life, I guess. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I personally am not eating meat because when I eat meat, I picture negative energy going into my body. Like I killed an animal and I'm eating it. Like that's stupid. There's so many other things that I can eat that are healthier for me. And I've been saying I want to do this 7-day vegan challenge, and I my dad. I live at my dad's, and it's so fucking hard because like only meat and cheese is here. Like that's it. You have meat and cheese to choose from. So I'm having a rough time with it. I didn't eat anything yesterday. I ate, well, all that was in my fridge was pepperonis, chicken, and hot dogs. So much for not eating meat, but and I'm also not that knowledgeable on it. Like I don't really know all of the vegan shit. Sorry, I keep playing with my hair. It's driving me nuts, and I'm very insecure about my ears. So yeah, I try to keep those bitches hid at all times because they're really big. I have gotten called Dumbo all through school. Like all through school. I put in my Dumbo time, now I'm securing them, and they're not gonna be seen. And I also have a unibrow, but I don't know if you guys can see that. Come here, you want to be in the vlog? You want to be in the vlog? Look at the little baby. Sweet angel. Where's your 4C? That is my cat, and we've had her for like 4 days, and we still don't have a name for her. I call her Cracky because she is a crackhead. I've never seen a cat act like this before. But anyhow, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, so I ate chicken yesterday out of the fridge because like it was either chicken, hot dogs, or pepperoni. So I ate the chicken, and then I got a terrible fucking stomachache. I mean like the worst stomachache, and I was like, well, that's my last sign that I needed. So starting today, I'm doing the 7-day vegan challenge, and I plan on staying vegan after. If I don't stay vegan after because it's too hard, I will just go to vegetarian and do away with all the meat. Because vegan, the difference between vegetarian and vegan is no animal products. So like no eggs, cheese, milk, like no nothing that has to do with animals. So vegetarian is no meat, but you can have like dairy. And that's that. But anywho, yeah, I don't know what this channel's gonna be about. I don't even know, like, it's probably gonna be like basic bitchy and kind of spiritual, like indigo children, staying woke, 7-day vegan challenge. I'm also like super into working out, which is so weird because I never have ever done that. I also have you on a selfie stick because I don't have a tripod because I'm using my phone. Because broke bitch. Okay. So let's vlog. Okay, so we're doing a mukbang. We're at Raven Rocks. I'm back. I'm better than before. I forgot we even got food.
Yeah, we did. About 45 minutes ago.
Okay, we got... this is the first vlog of 7-day vegan challenge.
Rest in peace to my motherfucker.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
God bless
Yeah.
the past.
Rap Diablo.
All the
Yeah.
young motherfuckers.
I didn't.
Is there pickle?
Yeah, I've got pickle fries.
The more you know.
The more you know. Fuck!
Speak. Fuck! Good boy.
This salad has cheese on it.
Cheese isn't vegan?
No. No animal products, no eggs, cheese, anything.
Well.
Okay, this is day 1. I'm trying. We'll make it an 8-day vegan challenge since I fucked up day 1, but I am eating no meat, so. I'm making progress, because I'm a meat eater.
I'm doing drugs so I can maintain. Part of the reason that I can handle this damn pain. I'm fucking comes to the lonely heart of the drummer boy who rather wreak havoc than playing around with a talking toy.
Okay, so continuing the mukbang
Absolutely continuing the mukbang.
with you just drank a margarita. That's fine.
No, it's
Is it vegan?
that's a lemon. No, yeah, I think alcohol is vegan. I'm not sure. I didn't look up that part because you know what I don't know won't hurt me.
No.
But that's not alcohol in that can. I had that can left over and I needed some water, so I put the water in that can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what I did.
Yeah.
Bryn is vouching. She knows. I don't drink because drinking is bad for your health, and I'm underage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I go to my fridge, and it's pepperonis, hot dogs, and chicken. I don't eat meat, brother. What am I gonna eat? I can't even eat cheese. Literally, if you're watching this and you've been to my dad's house or know my dad, period, what's he eat? Meat and cheese. That's it. That's all the man eats. I'm like, Dad, I'm going vegan. No, you ain't. You have to have meat. You need meat to live. Okay, I can't see, but I'm back and we're at Raven Rocks now. Look. I don't know what that says because the sun's directly in my eyes.
Two. Everybody see the dark ass woods that we're about to head into?
You think it's going to be dark, Bryn? Oh shit, it probably is going to be a little bit sketchy. It's so black.
Yeah.
Okay. I wish I wasn't on the front camera. Oh, wait.
It's cold as hell.
I'm not cold, and I don't even have on pants. I have on socks. Big fin, little fin. Big fin, little fin. Look how much taller than Bryn I am. Does that make sense? I don't know. Who cares? Okay, you ready? We're going. Here goes the stairs.
About
I'm tripping and stumbling, but it's fine.
Mackenzie, don't run, please.
I'm excited. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I got my water. I'm ready to go. Look how pretty it looks. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love it.
Oh my God.
This is my favorite place on earth. I'm like a kid in a candy shop.
You're like Willy Wonka. Coming down the stairs.
Oh no, I forgot. I'm sorry, Dad, if you're watching this vlog. I meant to message you, but we're out here climbing rocks, and Mom's actually adventuring, and this is awesome. Look at the view. Look at the fucking view, bro. This is amazing. Look at all of this. This is beautiful. Where? Where? Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a couple clips with the camera turned around for you guys so you guys can enjoy the view. Love you. Look at it. It's beautiful, bro. Hang on, I need to...
How is it like? There's a pool, dude. Let's go
Yeah,
swimming.
We could be swimming. I think I found the hot tub time machine, y'all.
Because this literally has an overflowing like top. Like, you know how ever.
Okay, guys, I don't even know how much I got on vlog of the process walking back here because like I stopped and took a million Snapchat pictures. But we're on our way back, so enjoy.
Forever broken. I seen the father lose his son while life's so fucking hopeless. Hey, cause second my depression is that there's no fucking recollection when your birth begins. And there's nobody there to hold you when the pain begins. But there's somebody there to fold you when you're caving in. You're such a scratch by such and such. You're a fucking loser, man, while life's a fucking uppercut. Right inside my fucking gut. Wanna fucking end it, but I don't have the balls to fuck. I'm such a pussy, fuck me up, fuck me up. Won't be reminded of the lost days. You should walk the club for all this work so I can maintain. Hey, won't be reminded.
Terribly sorry about that. Might have dropped the vlog, or the phone, not the vlog camera. Too poor. I wish.
Oh.
If I have any sugar daddies watching this, buy me a vlog camera. And we're here. Now I need my beer.
Are we going back?
Do we want to adventure that way? Let's take a smoke break first.
That's fine.
Yep. Doja break.
Wait. I thought you meant Jewel.
No, Doja.
Yeah, we'll go back up these stairs.
Yeah.
Of the lost days, you should run the club for all the work so I can maintain. Won't be reminded of the lost days.